Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Quicken. First, ensure you have the Quicken application installed on your device. Once installed, open the program and select Create a new Quicken file. You'll then be prompted to set up your user profile, including your name and contact information. Next, decide if you want to track all your finances or just specific accounts. This initial setup is crucial for personalizing your financial management experience right from the start. Now, let's connect your financial institutions. Navigate to the Add Account section and choose the type of account you wish to link, such as a checking account, credit card, or investment portfolio. You'll need to enter your online banking login details for each institution. Quicken uses secure encryption for this process. After connecting, Quicken will download your recent transactions. Take a moment to review these and ensure they are correctly categorized. Effective financial management relies on good categorization. Quicken provides many default categories, but you can also create custom ones to match your specific spending. For example, you might add a category for pet supplies or home renovation. Regularly review your downloaded transactions and assign them to the correct categories. This step is vital for accurate reporting and helps you understand where your money goes. Next, establish a simple budget to track your spending limits. Beyond basic tracking, Quicken offers powerful features like investment performance monitoring and tax planning tools. You can generate various reports, such as spending by category or net worth over time, to gain deeper insights into your financial health. These reports are invaluable for making informed decisions. Remember to regularly back up your Quicken file to protect your data. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.